The lady I mentioned earlier clearly had a different perspective, but to me, I feel like some of the greatest Renaissance painters, if these dudes had Instagram, man, like we would have seen Mona Lisa stickers and t-shirts everywhere. And I'm not talking about like random streetwear brands or whatever. I'm talking about like if DaVinci was alive today, he'd be like, yo, get the new Mona Lisa sticker pack or the Mona Lisa tee. If, you know, Michelangelo was alive, there'd be a release of like limited, you know, designer toy figures of his David statue. Like this, that's how I feel. Like if they were out in 2019, that's what they'd be on. And with that said, like I just don't think anything can devalue your work. As an artist, I'm simply trying to create a demand for my style. And once that demand is created, I think the possibilities are endless. Like you create that demand by working out your craft. And if you want to paint on more than just canvas and, you know, you want to do wood panel, you want to do tees and wallets and sneakers and jackets, I think that shows your versatility. Even if you're screen printing on tees and apparel, to me, that's smart merchandising that can act as a billboard for your art that will build a buzz and a demand for your original art pieces. And maybe this comes from like a different part of my brain that's kind of business oriented, but so be it. Like that's how I feel. Yeah. I don't know what else to say around that. I mean, I also don't think it's a bad idea to create smaller originals for an affordable price either. Really, I mean, I think you should do it all. Like make originals of all sizes, small sizes being most affordable, big sizes being, you know, your expensive end. And also make wearable art. Some people like that. Make limited print releases, stickers, tees. All of these can get your name out there and help you grow your demand. And if they don't, you still, like, you have some cool designs of your own to wear and decorate with. Like, I made this hat with my Night Demon character on it. It's a little bit comicked out right now with this filter, but I made it in honor of my upcoming solo show. I set the quantity to just 30 so that once we hit that, it's no longer on the market. But if one person or 30 people buy it, I don't care, because I'm gonna wear it and I feel good because I'm wearing my own design right now. Like, this ain't a Nike hat. Nothing wrong with Nike hats or Adidas hats or Chicago Bulls hats. I'm gonna be rocking Bulls hats on this channel regularly. But I'm just saying, like, if nobody wears it, I'm fine wearing it because I think it's cool. And I like wearing my own designs. But, I mean, let me know what you guys think. Do you think there's anything that could devalue your art? I personally don't think so. I think any type of art that you're making could raise the value of your art because you're putting it out there. You're working on your craft, you're getting more eyes on it. I don't think anything can devalue it. So tell me what you guys think. If you made it this far, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to follow me on Instagram at MahmudTheMedium to see progress on all of my ongoing art projects. If you're wondering if my work is for sale, guess what? It is. Check out my store on Etsy. My links will be in the description below.